Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve the 19th and 20th question from CBSE Class 10 Examination 2022-23 Section A, that is multiple choice questions where each question is of 1 mark. So the 19th question is from the coordinate geometry chapter. The assertion states that point P0, 2 is the point of intersection of y-axis with the line 3x plus 2y equal to 4. And the reason given for the assertion is the distance of point P0, 2 from the x-axis is 2 units. So let us focus on the assertion and let us try to understand it using a rough graph first. Now here you can see that I have drawn a graph with the x-axis and with the y-axis, and the position of point P was given as 0, 2, which means the x-coordinate is 0 and the y-coordinate is going to be 2. So we can clearly see that the point 0, 2 is on the y-axis, and we have to confirm that whether this line given 3x plus 2y equal to 4 passes through the point P or not. For that we have to just substitute the value of x and y in this given expression, and we have to check if left hand side becomes equal to right hand side or not. So if the condition is satisfied, then the line definitely passes through the point P. So let us check here. So 3 times 0 plus 2 times 2. So let us check its value. So 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 times 2 is 4. So the LHS is 4 and the RHS is also equal to 4, which means the condition is satisfied. This given line definitely passes through the point P0, 2. So our assertion given over here is correct. Now let us check if this is the reason for the assertion. The distance of point P0, 2 from the x-axis is 2 units. So if we look at this graph, the distance or the height of point P from the x-axis is 2. So the reasoning is also correct. But it cannot be the reasoning for the assertion. It does not explain the assertion statement. So here we are going to choose both assertion and the reason are true, and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So it's going to be our option B. Now let us move on to the 20th question. The 20th question is a combination of triangles and real numbers chapter. The assertion states that the perimeter of triangle ABC is a rational number, and the reason is the sum of square of two rational numbers is always rational. So let us first find out the perimeter of the given right angle triangle. The perimeter is the sum of length of all the sides of the given triangle, and in this triangle we can see that the side length AC is not given. And since this is a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find out the hypotenuse. So we can write here hypotenuse square, which is AC square, is equal to 2 square plus 3 square. So this will give us 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. So this will give us a total of 13. And 13 is the value of AC square. So if we want to find out the value of AC, we are going to send the square on the other side of equal to sign. So it becomes square root of 13. Next, let us find out the value of perimeter. So it's going to be 2 plus 3 is 5 plus square root of 13. And remember that square root, cube root or nth root is going to be irrational numbers. So here we have got the perimeter as irrational number, not a rational number, which means the assertion is incorrect. The perimeter is not a rational number. It is going to be a irrational number. Now let us look at the reasoning statement. The sum of the square of two rational numbers is always rational. So let us take any two rational numbers. So let us take it as 4 and 5, and we have to square them and then we have to add them. That is sum of square of two rational numbers. So 4 square is going to be 16 plus 5 square is going to be 25, and when we add these two numbers we are going to get a number as 41, which is again a rational number. So the reasoning is correct, but the assertion statement is incorrect. So here our option is going to be D. That is, assertion is false but reason is true. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.